Okay, so here is the main setup of our build to coin changer. This is the main board or the motherboard of the system. Consisted of the MCU, the touchpad over here, and the LCD on the back. This is wired in here. This is the programming port. The state of the board is whether it is in program mode or in run mode. And in here is the bill acceptor. Okay, so it is all plugged in the main power board right here. So this board controls the power, or this serves the power supply of the system. And this one is the coin dispensing mechanism, powered by servo motor with our own mechanism, own device mechanism. So right here is the power button of the system. So I'm gonna press this one. Okay. So this is the initial state of our coin build to coin changer. Red light means that it doesn't accept any bills or any denominations being programmed in the system. Okay, so let's try to press letter A. So here, insert your bill. Just in case that you haven't inserted any bill within 10 seconds, the system will reset back to its first state, the select bill. Okay, so now let's try to insert 20 pesos bill. Okay, so let's press letter A. Please insert your bill. Insert this bill right here. So here, the bill was now accepted. So the next state would be the selection of the coins to be dispensed. So since it is 20 pesos, if you selected 1 pesos, 19 peso coin will be dispensed. The missing 1 peso would serve as the charge for the system transaction. If you choose 5 pesos will be dispensed, and for 1 peso coin will be dispensed. The 1 peso would serve as the charge for the system transaction. Okay, so let's try to press 5. Please get your change. So now the system would dispense 3 5 pesos and 4 peso coins. Okay, so dispensing takes 1.5k milliseconds per coin dispensing. Okay, so let's count the odds. So in here, this is the dispense coin. Let's try to count it. Okay. So 3 5 pesos, 4 pesos. So very accurate. That's all. Thank you.